teachers, this is Iris. Spring Festival is coming. Here, I would like to thank you for your efforts of teaching Spring Festival themed lessons. Today, I would like to teach you some classic Chinese wishes and greetings in Chinese. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's start with the first one. First one is wish you success in your study, which you may want to speak to your students in Qkids lessons. 学习进步，学习进步，学习进步。For parents, you may want to wish them success in their work. So you can say 工作顺利，工作顺利。工作顺利 and then you want to say best wishes to your family. 阖家幸福，阖家幸福，阖家幸福。学习进步，工作顺利，阖家幸福。Okay, that's all for today. Would you like to try at least one?